Well, hello and welcome to Knife Delights. I've had another wonderful mail call. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Look at these new stickers from Cheesy Moon Workshop. Patrick, thank you so much for sending these stickers to me. Aren't these wonderful? And we got this like business card here. Cheesy Moon Workshops, knives and woodworking. Repair, restore, relove old knives. You bet, Patrick. There's contact information if you'd like to get a hold of Patrick. There you go. His YouTube channel is Cheesy Moon Workshop. Hey, make sure and go check his YouTube channel out. He's got a lot of great stuff on there. Yeah, I'm excited. Cheesy, I got to get back to watching some more of your things there. I'm certainly learning. He's given me some good tips. Just a wonderful fella. You bet. Cheesy Moon Workshop. Go over there, check his channel out, and give him a sub. And then I had Jonathan from Pens and Pen Blades contact me here a couple weeks ago. Said, hey, I've got some knives that I've had and was going to restore and couldn't quite get to them. And he sent them to me. He says, if you don't want to restore them up, just get them looking good and do what you want with them. They're yours. Well, hey, I love me some old vintage knives that are in rough condition. Love to get them all shined up. But yeah, that's Pens and Pen Blades. Thank you so much. Here's his sticker. Make sure you go check his channel out and give him a sub too. Just a wonderful man. You bet. So let's take a look at these knives here real quick. This one right off the bat caught my eye. And this is a Kamp King. And I didn't pull one out. I don't think I have one here. But it struck me because it's so wide and so thick. And the shield here looked just a little bit different from a normal Imperial Kamp King. So I opened up. We look at the tang stamp. And it's an Imperial Ireland. So one of their later ones. I think they started having their knives made in Ireland in somewhere to mid to late 80s. Without looking it up, it was somewhere in there. So it was a effort to cut some costs and stay in business like a lot of U.S. knife makers did back in those times, struggling to try to keep afloat. And then we have this, and I believe this is one of those Pakistan-made knives. And I just can't quite tell. There's something there on the tang stamp. And then look at this wonderful single-bladed knife here. This is like a watch fob knife. And I don't see any tang stamp on it. On either side. But it's got this right here, and I can't quite read it. Now there's some... Looks like it was painted pink at one time. I can't quite tell. You got pink there and pink there on that, on the pin. A little bit of pink there on the bolsters. Let's try to clean this off here just a little bit. I'm just curious what that says. I can't make it out. I don't know if we can clean it off quick or not. Well, that's not going to work. Let's see. What else can we do here? I think I want to go kind of light with it. I don't think I'd take that off. It seems like it's raised, so it's metal, so I don't think I'll take it off. Oh boy, what do we got here? Try a little of this here. You kind of go gently on it. I don't know. I just cannot read that. I'm going to have to work on it some more. Just cannot make it out. Anyway, we'll check out this other knife. I think is a Pakistani knife. Yep, Pakistan. They've sure made a lot of these old buck clones. Yep. It'll clean up. Yeah. They're kind of a nice little pocket dropper. And then we'll get back to the Kamp King here, and we'll just clean that tang off here real quick so you can see that. And get that cleaned off a little better. There you go. Imperial Ireland. Got your main spear point blade, and there's a lot of blade left there. Got your can opener, and cap lifter and screwdriver. And there's your punch. We've got some goop on here, needs to come off. Quite a bit of rust in that down inside, but I think this knife's going to clean up very nice. So Jonathan, thank you so much for sending me these knives. I got some more projects to work on, folks. So there'll be videos coming out soon. So until next time, have a very